Want to factory reset Samsung, but the screen password is unavailable? Light up! No matter which situation you are currently experiencing, this video will show you 2 easy and quick ways to master Samsung factory reset without a password. Let's dive in. Why factory reset your Samsung? A factory reset is an important operation. As long as you decide to do this, you may lose all your data on your device if you don't have a backup. Therefore, before discussing how to factory reset Samsung without a password, you must be clear on whether a factory reset is truly necessary. Here are the situations where it is required. 1. Insufficient memory. After long-term use, your Samsung may accumulate a lot of stored data or cache, which can affect performance. 2. Lost password. When you get a second-hand Samsung, the seller might forget to tell you the screen passcode, but you cannot connect to it again. 3. Security concerns. When you sell your Samsung, you may factory reset it to protect your data security and personal privacy. 4. Malware or virus. If your Samsung is infected with malware or a virus, a factory reset can help resolve the issue. Now that we've covered these scenarios, let's look at 2 effective ways to factory reset your Samsung device. Method 1. Factory reset Samsung without computer. If you don't want to use a computer to solve the problem, this method will be suitable for you. However, you must ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi network or mobile data, as they are essential for the Android recovery mode. Step 1. Turn off your Samsung phone. Then, press and hold both the volume up and power buttons simultaneously. Step 2. Select the wipe data or factory reset option. Step 3. Select yes to delete all user data. Step 4. When the process is completed, you'll find that your Samsung phone has been successfully factory reset. Method 2. Factory reset Samsung via DroidKit. When it comes to factory resetting Samsung without a password, DroidKit Android phone tool would be a good choice. It offers an effective way to factory reset your Samsung phone without a password and remove the lock screen, no matter what kind of password is used to lock your device. Besides serving as an Android unlock tool, DroidKit also supports bypassing the FRP lock, recovering lost or deleted data, and fixing system issues, etc. Next, let me show you how to factory reset Samsung without a password using DroidKit step by step. Step 1. Download DroidKit for free and run it. Step 2. Click on Screen Unlocker. Then, connect your phone to your computer via a USB cable. Step 3. Click the Start button. DroidKit will prepare the configuration file for you. Once it's done, click the Remove Now button to proceed. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once the unlocking process is completed, the lock screen of your phone will be removed, and you can now set up your Samsung phone. Hope you can solve the issue by following the methods provided in this video. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.